Don't mind the hair, it's the process. But I'm about to go watch some fireworks with Ryan and Shane. Before that, I was at Open Door, got to see Caleb again, which was really cool. Brian Carey came also to play basketball with me, Michelle, and Chris and stuff, and we do that almost every year. Me and Michelle do. Go, Jacob! How you feel the games have gone?
Terrible.
It's always a good time. We lost both our games, and it was hot. I was sweaty, but it was fun. Basketball is good. Anyway, about to go see some fireworks. Join us. I promise we actually watch Miss Marvel. I just always forget to show that it happens, but it's just the best show ever, and we would never make fun of it.
Oh, I'm Marvel, and I like wasting money.
I made a video of my day on the 4th of July last year. It's called Catching Up, and I watched it last night because I just wanted to remember what I did last year, and I basically did very similar things. Yeah, that's really all there is for this video. I'm gonna go play some Valorant with the boys now that they left the apartment to go to their prospective homes, and that's what the rest of my night is looking like. Pretty chill, but I'm excited to just get back into work. Got a very busy work week. Got a fun shoot with Caleb I'm excited for this upcoming weekend. So much July content coming your way. So I really appreciate you if you've been watching all these daily vlogs, and if you're just now hopping on, I hope you enjoy. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
One enemy remaining.
That's 3.
Throw this last
10
pitches.
seconds left.
I don't have the bomb either.
Open up the sky.
Come on.
Oh!
Let's go.
Oh!
Let's go.
That's why they put me in charge.
Cool. Yeah, that's because I'm the best. Whatever.
Brimstone.